reach my goal. Through every challenge, every test, I'll give my all, I'll do my best. Courage in my heart, fire in my soul. Step by step, I'll reach my goal. With every effort, with every stride, I'll chase my dreams, I won't hide. Facing the challenges, breaking the mold. With love and support, my story unfolds. Effort and courage, they lead the way. One step at a time, I'll find my way. With every challenge, I'll rise above, fueled by passion and the ones I love. With every effort, with every stride, I'll chase my dreams, I won't